Okay guys, so this is everything I got at CVS today, and I did a total of 2 different transactions. So everything turned out well at CVS. Hopefully you guys checked out the in-store video where I showed you the deals that I planned on doing. So I basically did everything in that video and everything turned out super well. The only hiccup is the first transaction. I was charged $1 extra and I'm trying to figure out why. Like, everything was right on my receipt. So instead of giving them $42 in extra bucks, I gave $43 in extra bucks, but I did deduct that at the end. But also we had one issue with the toothbrushes right here. So the $1 off coupon didn't scan at first, so she voided the items out, put them back in, and then scanned the $1 off coupon, and it worked perfectly with no issues. So this is my first transaction up to the Colgate. And then starting with the Nivea and ending with the whole blends is my second transaction. So there's a lot to discuss, so let's jump into this. So first transaction, spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks. So it's going to be the Dawn dish soap right here. So these 2 big bottles, so I'm going to tell you the ounces. So the 40 ounces are the ones that are included in this. And I picked up 2 of the Tide Pods. So these are all on sale this week for $4.99. So I picked up 2 of the Tide Pods for $9.98 and 2 of the dish soap for $9.98. I used a $2 off 1 Tide Pods digital coupon and a $2 off Tide Pods from pgeveryday.com. I had a 2 off of 10 Dawn CRT as well as a 2 off of 8 Tide Pods CRT. I had a $1 off Tide Pods app only and a 50-cent for the Dawn app only. So the total worked out to $9.46, but I got back that $5 in extra bucks. So it works out to $4.46 for all of them, or $1.15 each. And then I'm going to show you my receipt for the first transaction when I'm done. And then I'll show you guys my second receipt. Okay, next deal, really good deal on the Boost drink. So I picked up these 4 right here. So these are buy 4, get 8 this week, and they're buy 1, get 1 50% off. So I picked up 2 of them full price for $8.79 each, making them $17.58. And 2 of them half off for $4.40 each, making them $8.79. I used 2 of the 5 off of 2 coupons from our 1.5 RMN, and I had a 4 off of 4 Boost CRT. So the total worked out to $12.37, but you're going to get back $8 in extra bucks. So it works out to $4.37 for all 4 of them, or $1.09 each. Now, if you guys don't have that 5 off of 2 coupon, there are $2 peelies on the box. So you can use those if you don't have that 5 off of 2. Now, the next deal is going to be Speed Stick, and this deal is a limit of 2. So they're buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, and they're also buy 1, get 1 50% off. So I picked up 1 of the men's and 1 of the women's. So the men's one was $3.49, and the women's came out to half off at $1.69. I used 2 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons from our 119 Smart Source. I had $1 off 2 Speed Stick CRT, making the total $3.18. But you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So it worked out to 18 cents for both of them, or 9 cents each. Now the next deal is on Maybelline. They're buy 2, get 5. I picked up these 2 products right here. So the Colossal was priced at $9.59 and the single eyeshadow was $4.19. I used 1 of the $2 off 1 for the mascara in our 126 RMN. I had a $3 off Colossal mascara CRT, and we received a $3 mystery offer coupon. So also in this, I had a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT. So you can join all those coupons together. So 1 threshold and 2 non-threshold coupons, making the total $2.78. But you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. So it worked out to free plus a $2.22 moneymaker. Next deal is going to be on CoverGirl. I picked up these 2 products right here. So CoverGirl is spend 14, get a $7 extra buck. I picked up 1 of the supersize mascaras for $9.49 and the twin brow pencils for $5.99. So the total before coupons was $15.48. I used 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our 126 Smart Source, and I had a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. So the total worked out to $6.48, but you're going to get back $7 in extra bucks. So this worked out to be free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. Now the next deals are going to be the oral care deals. So Colgate Optic White, I picked up these 2 right here. So these are buy 1, get a 150 extra buck, and you can do the deal twice. So they're on sale this week for $3.49. I picked up 2 of them for $6.98. I used 2 of the $1 off coupons that came out today in our Smart Source, making the total $4.98. but you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks for doing the deal twice. So it worked out to $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents each. Now the last item I grabbed was the Colgate 360 toothbrushes. So I picked up these two right here. So these are buy one, get a $2 extra buck, and you can do this deal 2 times as well. So they're on sale for $3.99. I picked up 2 of them for $7.98. I used 2 of the dollar off 1 coupons that came out today in our 2-2 Smart Source, making the total $5.98, but you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks for doing the deal twice. So it works out to $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents each. Now I combined the Colgate Optic White and the toothbrushes together because I had a 3 off of 12 Oral Care CRT. So total before coupons for all 4 products is going to be $14.96. Total after coupons is going to be $10.96. I used that 3 off of 12, making the total $7.96, but you're going to get back $7 in extra bucks. So it works out to 96 cents for all of them, or 24 cents each. So the total before coupons was $75.77. Total after coupons was $42.23, and you get back $35 in extra bucks. So again, I rolled $43 in extra bucks for this, and I counted it at the end when I add up both transactions. So here goes this long receipt here. So there goes the Colgate 360 toothbrushes, the Colgate Optic White, the Dawn dish soap on sale for $4.99. So this is where you see the sale price at. Tide Pods $4.99. There goes the 2 speed sticks right there, so $3.49, and the other one was half off. There goes the Boost drinks right there, $8.79, $8.79, and then 2 of them were half off. There goes the Maybelline for $4.19, CoverGirl $5.99, CoverGirl $9.49, and then the Maybelline $9.59. So there goes all the manufacturer's coupons. Everything came off with no issues. This one offer gain is actually the Tide Pods one. So it was off of Tide Pods and Gain Flings. So there goes the $2 for that. There goes all of my CRTs. They came off with no issues. And also the $1 off for the Tide Pods, the app only, and the 50-cent off for the Dawn dish soap came off with no issues. I rolled $43 in extra bucks for this. And I got back a total of $35 in extra bucks. Now let's move on to the second transaction. Okay, so everything here is my second transaction. The first deal I did was on the Nivea's Men's Body Wash. So I picked up these 2 right here. These are buy 2, get 5. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for $5.99 each, making them $11.98. I used a 3 off of 2 that came out today in our 2-2 Smart Source. And I had a 2 off of 10 Nivea Men's Body Wash CRT. So the total worked out to $6.98, but you're going to submit an IBOTTA rebate for $1.20. So the $1.20 comes off of each of them. So you get back $2.40 for IBOTTA, making this free plus a 42-cent moneymaker after the $5 in extra bucks and the IBOTTA rebate. Next deal is Eucerin. I picked up these 2 right here. So I picked up the Skin Calming for $9.79 and the Daily Hydration for $10.79. So the total worked out to $20.58 before coupons. I used 2 $3 off 1 coupons from our 2-2 Smart Source, and I had a $3.50 off 15 lotion CRT, making the total $11.08, but you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. So this worked out to $1.08 for both of them, or 54 cents each. Next deal is going to be on the Tresemme 28 ounce. So I picked up those 2 big bottles right there. So these are buy 2, get 2. They're on sale this week, 2 for $9. I used the 4 off of 2 coupon that came out today in our 2-2 RMN. And I had a $2.50 off a Tresemme CRT. So the total worked out to $2.50, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So it worked out to 50 cents for both of them, or 25 cents each. Now the next deal is going to be on L'Oreal Elvive. So I picked up those 2 right there. So these are buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. I picked up 2 of them for $4.99 each, making them $9.98. I used a 4 off of 2 coupon from our 119 RMN and a 225 off 10 hair care CRT. So the total worked out to $3.73, but you're going to get back a $4 extra buck. So this worked out to be free plus a 27-cent moneymaker. Now the next deal is going to be on the Garnier Whole Blends. So this is the freebie of the week. So these are on a promotion for buy 2, get 3, and they're on sale 2 for $7. I used the 4 off of 2 coupon from our 119 RMN. I believe it's our 126. I kept on saying 119, but it's our 126 RMN. I used a $2 off 2 instant coupon, and that coupon's printing out for all of us today, and you have until the 8th to print that out, making the total $1, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus a $2 moneymaker. Next item I picked up was the GSQ Curl Defying Cream. So I picked up this one right here. So this is buy one, get a $7 extra buck. So I picked up one of them for $7.99. The total works out to $7.99, but you're going to get back a $7 extra buck. So it works out to 99 cents after extra bucks. Now the next deal is going to be on the whole blends and GSQ products together because I had a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT. So the total before coupons is going to be $14.99. The total after coupons is going to be $8.99. I used that 3 off of 12 with no issues, making the total $5.99, but you're going to get back $7 in extra bucks for the GSQ and $3 in extra bucks for the whole blends. So that makes it free plus a $4.01 moneymaker. Now, the last deal is going to be on the Sure deodorant. So I picked up that one right there. So this is buy one, get a $2 extra buck, and they're on sale for $2. So the total works out to $2, but you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. So it works out to free after extra bucks. So the total before coupons is going to be $68.53. Now that's not the total retail price of everything. That's just with all the sale prices that are attached to the deals. And the total after coupons was $32.28. I got back $33 in extra bucks plus the $2.40 from the IBOTTA rebate. So here goes my receipt right here. There goes the whole blends right there. Tresemme, Sure, L'Oreal Elvive, Nivea Men's Body Wash, the Curl Defying Cream, and the Eucerin. There goes all my manufacturer coupons there. All the CRTs I used for this. And I rolled $32 in extra bucks. So my subtotal was 28 cents and I had a tax of $4.19. So I had that fetch rewards. So basically the fetch rewards cover both transactions and I have about $2 left on there. So the total before coupons for the both transactions is going to be $144.30. Sorry about that. Total after coupons is going to be $74.51. I wrote $75, remember, because I got charged that $1 extra from I don't know where, making the total 51 cents, but you're going to get back $68 in extra bucks. I needed $13.09 to hit beauty. I have $83.81 worth of beauty items, so I will get a $9 beauty buck within 48 hours, and you can find that in your app, or you can go on cvs.com and print it out from there. So also I got $2.40 from Ibotta. I already got the Ibotta rebate for the Nivea, making this free plus a $4.04 moneymaker. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the in-store videos. I did receive a 10 off of 50 in the first receipt that I got, so for my first transaction. So I definitely will bring you guys a scenario for that. Now it's kind of hard to come out with a 10 off of 50 because I did pretty much every deal that was on sale this week. So let's see what happens with that 10 off of 50. So stay tuned for that video tomorrow. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.